Dana here with my vlog. And this is, I guess we'll put this around the house. Well, yesterday I had you saw the amount of snow I had when I was trying to move the Explorer around. And I really was going to wait till the next day, today to do it. And I made the right decision to do it when I did, because we just got another 8 inches of snow over the night. And she got herself stuck at the end of the driveway. So I had all this nice and clean last night, but now guess what? So we get the moto out here, get this plowed out, and then drag her back here. She was supposed to get the kids today, but right now she's stuck. Okay, well, I was able to get it plowed. 3 hours. It didn't take that long. 3 hours later, got it out. The four-wheel drive was stuck in, wound up being stuck in low, and so what I'm assuming is, well, stuck in low. Also, she had her anti-skid lights on, and one other light on, she said, and basically that was probably because there was a whole lot of freaking snow up underneath there on your there's a little gear that's on the inside of your drive shaft, and that was probably covered with snow, so it couldn't pick up the sensor. So she played with it a few minutes. They say put it in forward, neutral, reverse, and then do that like 2 or 3 times, and it actually cleared itself. Tomorrow it's supposed to be around 39 degrees, so it's going to melt some of this. This is Wednesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I guess it's going to be in the high 30s, and then Saturday, Sunday, going to be in the 20s, and then Monday in the next week it's going to go down into the teens and stay there. So whatever gets melted is going to turn to ice, and that's not a good thing. But I didn't get this as clean as I would have liked it, but you know, what are you gonna do? We can get around. I gotta get the door here done and get my other doors here so I can get in there. It was definitely a good choice yesterday to pursue getting that Explorer in there, because this would not have been a good situation. So anyway, yeah, this is 2nd of February 2021. Thanks for watching. And the CF Moto came through again without a hitch. It's good having these nice deep treads on this puppy. And of course, I had to clean my road out to the mailbox. And make it so the mailman can get in here somewhat. Oh. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And this is February 3rd.